guys, so I have just received a pack from Nykaa which I have ordered because the wedding season is coming up and we all need something. That is this Professional O3 Plus Whitening Facial for Tan Pigmented Skin, Radiance and Shine. So a disclaimer guys, I do not promote whitening. I don't know why we're still doing it, why the companies are still doing it, but I have got a good review about this product for the brightening and the glow. So we are definitely going to try it and see the result of it, but we do not promote whitening at all. This is not a goal, this is not our aim. Okay, so this is the pack and I thought let's open it right in front of you. You'll see 5 stuff in it. When we open it, there's this tray sort of a thing which has all the 5 products. We'll get to this one later. And there is one very interesting thing over here. They have something, I guess it's just a second. There is something. You can see this is a cardboard packing and you have to open it like that, and there is, oh, okay, there is written, something is written over it. So if I hadn't taken that out, the products would have been shown from here. And what is written over here? Okay guys, so once again I have put all the products inside just to have a look how it is really going to look. This is what it looks like. This is pretty good. You can see all the 5 products and some details about the O3 Plus that is not related to the product, so we are going to ignore it. This is first the cleansing foam. Second is their brightening and whitening tonic, which I'll see how to use and we are going to see in the entire video. Third is the whitening serum. I don't like to say whitening, so we'll hear it as D-tan. And the fourth one is whitening massage cream, and the fifth one is whitening mask. So yes, this is what something it looks like, and now let's get right into the application. Okay guys, so this is what my skin looks like after removing all the makeup and stuff. So you can see a bit of lipstick and a bit of a tint here. I'm going to do the facial and we are going to see the result, and I'm hoping that the result will be very nice. So let's get started. We are going to start with the step 1, which is to cleanse. This is the cleansing foam and we are supposed to massage it in a circular motion and then wipe it off. Guys, this feels a bit thick to me, so I'm going to take little water on my hand. So I have just simply wet my hand and now I'm going to massage it, which is going to make the task easier. I'm going to massage it for 10-15 minutes on my face and then I'm going to wipe it off. Okay guys, so this is what my face looks like after cleansing. Definitely looks very cleansed and very fresh. Let's move on to the second step, which is to tone. What I am supposed to do is to just apply it all over my face and tap it till it absorbs on my skin. Guys, its consistency is like that of a liquid. Let me show you. Look at it. It's just like a water, so I'm going to dab it like this, which is a easy application. Okay, now I'm going to tap it till it absorbs on my skin. Guys, so finally it is absorbed in my skin. It feels a bit gel-like consistency. When you apply gel, how it feels a bit sticky, that is what it feels like. Now we're on to the third step, which is to massage this cream for 10 to 15 minutes on face. Okay guys, so this is what my face looks like after doing the massage for 15 minutes. Now we are on to the second last step, which is to apply the mask. Okay guys, moving on to the fifth step is the serum. I have to just dab it on my skin till it gets absorbed. EAU is oo, D is do, do और toilet. तो हाँ do toilet. और परफ्यूम को बोलते हैं पाफे, तो ओडू पाफे. और जो कलोंग होता है दैट्स अ सिटी इन जर्मनी. तो वहाँ पे एक फ्रेंच बंदा शिफ्ट हुआ था, ही वॉज मिसिंग हिज होम. तो उसने एक परफ्यूम बनाया, इट वॉज लेस कंसनट्रेटेड देन पाफे एंड टॉयलेट. तो उसका ना लेस, यस, तो उसे कलोंग, तो उसका नाम ओडू कलोंग है. Okay guys, so this is what my face finally looks like. You can see that it is glowing and it is moisturized. It looks very smooth. I am very happy with the result. It doesn't feel dry, it doesn't feel heavy as well. So I will definitely recommend you to buy it if you want to do facials at home on regular basis. Then this can be your go-to facial. Guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you do, you know the drill. Press the bell icon, subscribe my channel and leave a comment below. Bye bye.